Alright, the James Bond chord. It's actually pretty simple, but a little tricky to play because it uses all 4 fingers, as you can see. We're going to go ahead and play the open E string. We're going to play the 10th fret A. We're going to play the 9th fret D. We're going to play the 8th fret G. And we're going to play the 7th fret B. And as you can see, that's me just stair-stepping my fingers. 4th, 3rd finger, 2nd finger, 1st finger all the way. And muting that high E string. So again, open, 10, 9, 8, 7. If you got a tremolo effect pedal, put that on, get that warbly effect. It kind of enhances the effect of this fun, mysterious James Bond chord. It's officially called an E minor major 9. And if you want to learn why that is and go super nerdy, go and join me on my Patreon. The link is just below, where I just take this lesson and I go even further and I show you and dissect not just that chord, but then give you another easier voicing. Hopefully you guys got a lot out of this. I'll see you there, or I'll see you in the next video.